Yet another Black Knight board set came in, and this one the owner suggested it had all kinds of issues with it. I did test all these PIAs. This one was dead, so I've replaced it. Also, one of the PIAs up here was dead, so I replaced it also. I replaced all the headers all the way around. It's just like new. Same for the MPU board. I installed the NVRAM. I like to use the Pinatech modules. And somebody had started working on the lamp matrix on this board, and they had replaced all these, were supposed to be tip 42s, with tip 125s, and that's not going to work. And they also had installed 10K resistors right here. So he was halfway home to doing the FET mod to this board, so I completed it. These are IRFZ34, I can't remember exactly. And this is a 1K resistor. There's an equivalent 1K resistor on the back of the board that implements a voltage divider circuit so that the gates of the FET work correctly. I had a problem with one of the transistors here in a special solenoid circuit, so I replaced that. Did some socketing here for diagnostic purposes, and this board set's good to go. Got it hooked up to a Firepower vintage display system, so it looks pretty good. It all works correctly. Lamp matrix is operating properly now, and the only coil it's on is the coin lockout coil. So let's put it into test. And auto increment. You can see all the displays are doing what they should be doing. All good. And the next test is sound test, and I have the soundboard here, which I recapped and I tested separately. It works perfectly. But for the purpose of this test, I'm using this LED tester from, I forgot where I got this one, Siegecraft, yeah. And you can see it's walking up the ladder here. That's each of the individual sounds being called upon by the CPU board. So if I had a soundboard attached, it would be making the sounds right now. Next test is lamp matrix test. All working perfectly. And the next test is coil test. Nine, 10, 11, 12. 10 is brighter because I use that LED. It's the AC Select relay on either Data East or Williams System 11 system. And the other one's green for the same reason. Okay, so now it would be doing some sounds. So that was all of the solenoids, including the special solenoids. Let me get a ground wire. Let's see. Yep. And what I'm going to do is take this wire that I have connected to ground, and I'm going to rake this connector just like this to show that all the special solenoids are in fact operating properly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that is working properly also. There are no tests after this. We can just cycle through the audits and adjustments, and everything's back to normal. The reason that was that data was spread across 2 displays is these are 6-digit displays, and System 7 would have been using 7-digit displays. Also added a blanking indication on the driver board. Kind of like to do that. Nice blue LED with the indication that when the LED is on, that means blanking is good. Thanks again for sending the board. Gonna wrap it up and get it back to the client. Thanks so much.